Picked a US M4 bayonet up from the Vietnam War period, complete with a M8 A1 scabbard. I've dismantled it, taken it apart to clean it. It's quite a little bit rusty. I'm not sure what to clean the grips with. I've cleaned them once, but maybe I'll buy some baking soda. I don't want to damage them though, that's the thing. Got some splits in, little cracks in, but nothing serious. The knife itself is in fair condition. There's some surface rusting. It's Turner, is it Turner Manufacturing Company? Wrong side. Yeah, I've got it upside down. Can't quite get it. Can't make it out very well there, but anyway. It's in fair condition. The cap is bent, so I'll need to get it in a vise and put that right, gently. But it's all there, otherwise. Not a bad example, really. It's missing its parkerizing or whatever it was that it was covered in. It's not quite relic condition. To me, it's fair condition, and I think it's all right. I'm quite happy with it, really. Wasn't too expensive. Although the missus will kill me when she sees this video. So there you go. So the blade, as I said earlier, was covered in rust. Not all of it, but there were large rusty patches on both sides. But I've kind of cleaned it up somewhat with some oil and some extremely fine sandpaper. The sandpaper's got no grit on it. It's been used a lot, and it's almost just like rubbing it with paper. Obviously, I don't want to use a harsh abrasive on it and damage the blade. The handles are scrubbed up. They're a lot cleaner now. They're full of gunk and crap. But I'll clean them a little bit more. I don't want to over clean it. But yep. So I'll finish off cleaning it up and then do another video at some point. Like that rust there, it's kind of very stable. So I'll just literally put some oil on it and rub it. But it's fine. The popper, whatever it's called, doesn't work anymore, so that won't close. I don't think there's much you can do about that. This is bent. It's at an angle, so I'll have to get it in a vise and gently prise it back into shape. The finish has gone completely, as to be expected, I guess. Finding it in a Vietnamese market. It's not going to be in A1 condition, is it really? But we'll see. Okay, there we go.